Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to find any Wi-Fi password on your computer. So the first thing I need to do right now is to open your command prompt. Now type in this command. So now this command allows you to see all the Wi-Fi networks that you've connected before. So as you can see, these are all the Wi-Fi networks that I have connected before. So to see the password of any of this network, simply type in this command. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to find out the Wi-Fi password of this network. So you need to type in the name of the Wi-Fi. You can also copy it as well and paste it. Then you close the double quote. So as you can see, it has displayed the Wi-Fi password. So this is the Wi-Fi password of the network that I selected. And also, if you want to see only the Wi-Fi password without seeing any text here, simply follow the command that I'm about to type right now. The same command, but this time around, you have to add additional keywords. I will also drop all the commands in the description below. So now it has only displayed the Wi-Fi password without any other info. So guys, this is how you can find any Wi-Fi password on your computer. And also, if you want to find the Wi-Fi password of which you are currently connected to, simply close the command prompt and search control panel. Here, select network and internet. Select network and sharing center. Then click on the Wi-Fi network here. Click on the wireless properties. Then select the security. So as you can see, this is the Wi-Fi password of which I'm currently connected to. So this is the Wi-Fi password that I'm currently connected to. So guys, this is how to use CMD to find any Wi-Fi password on your computer, and also the control panel to see any Wi-Fi password of which you are currently connected to. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to comment in the comment section below, like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.